Hey, listen! I think I know where she might be.
It's okay, it's okay. No one's gonna hurt you. Shh, shh. Poor thing. I know just how you feel. Shush, it's all right. No one's gonna hurt you. I'm gonna send you home.
I repeat, JK1 to Buccaneer 1, come in Buccaneer.
And he still hasn't been to Ellis River yet.
No, they called me, thought he was still here. He's an hour overdue.
Do you think they might have gone down somewhere?
Don't even mention it.
No, he probably got trouble with the radio. I think I'll take a run out to Parrot anyway.
Mind if I come along?
No, not at all. Christy, you stay here. Get on to Air Sea Rescue. Don't panic, but just let them know.
Okay.
Shall we go? Yeah.
How far is it to Parrot?
About 35 minutes.
This is Buccaneer 1 to JK1. We're on Parrot Island. Do you read me? Over. We need help. Our fuel tanks have been drained and there's somebody on the island. Reason to believe. Threatened by hostile.
JK1 to Buccaneer. Receiving you, but your signal's very weak. Can you hear me? Over.
We have no fuel and need help.
On the way to Parrot now. Should be there in 30 minutes.
Where'd you find that?
On the ground by the nets.
I knew it. I knew she'd come back here.
Yeah, I agree, but where is she now?
Well, let's split up.
No. We'll stick together. Where do we start?
If somebody's on the island, they must have a boat.
Right.
There's a plane on the beach.
Any sign of the kids?
No.
Don't worry, fellas. I'll have you out of there in no time. Are you free? Here you go.
What you think you're doing, kid? Mary. Gotcha now! Come here, you! I'll skin you alive when I get my hands on you!
Jackie! Over here! This way!
Grab the gun!
Dad, what are you doing here?
Oh, Dad, did you get my message? Yeah. I fixed it. I fixed the radio.
Aanstaande zaterdag is er een debat op de VARA-televisie, al om 20:30. Dat heet Primetime. En daarin zult u een debat zien over politieke hoofdzaken tussen ex-ministers en wel de heer De